The stars with broken rulers, drawing highways through the midnight haze. Two voices weaving crooked patterns, synchronizing through the younger days. Every scar became a compass, every failure turned to gold. We were architects of thunder, building kingdoms in the cold. Then a silhouette appeared, like a comet through our sky. Neither heaven nor disaster, yet everything began to divide. Now the constellations fracture, splitting into separate seas. We were carved from the same mountain, now we're strangers to the breeze. She never asked for war between us, never pulled the trigger line, but somewhere in the shifting orbit, you stopped being yours, and I stopped being mine. Conversations turned asymmetric, measures lost their common time. Every laugh became a question, every silence a hidden sign. You were reaching for tomorrow, I was holding yesterday, and the distance grew in circles while neither side could find a way. No villains in the story, no angels left to blame, just gravity and longing, rewriting every night. Now the constellations fracture, splitting into separate seas. We were carved from the same mountain, now we're strangers to the breeze. She never asked for war between us, never pulled the trigger line, but somewhere in the shifting orbit, you stopped being yours, and I stopped being mine. And I remember every rooftop, every promise in the rain, the unfinished songs we carried, echoing through vacant frames. Maybe people aren't forever, maybe seasons break apart, maybe love is just a river, cutting canyons through the heart. Now the constellations shatter, falling brightly through the night. What we built across a lifetime disappeared beyond our sight. She was only passing through someday.